fishing fam. Day 2. It's a little choppy out today. I don't know, but they don't look too good. Man, I don't like this fish because it's like all messed up. It's not fresh bait. See how I didn't like that shad, that's why I didn't want to put it on, but it's rough today. Oh, got that hook there. Oh man, get him, man. Get him. That's a big boy right there. Was that like 2 miles out? Nah, it was out. That was the furthest. Maybe on this side, get a better angle. The sun's on that side. Man, that forearm's gonna be gone, man. Day 2. Day 2. Back on them. Man, that bad boy pulled out. If you get tired, I handle it.
All the weight you put on.
Nah, that's a big boy right there.
Nah, he's waking up now. Still got like 150 yards.
Yeah, yeah, you got a long way to go.
Don't quit, don't quit.
I need to put some sunscreen. It's crossing over. Oh, you got it here already, though.
Yeah.
Hey, I got you, big dog. Woo, that's a big boy. Yeah, I'm trying. There you go. Woo, that's the biggest one so far.
Oh, my forearms are dropping.
Ah,
Biceps and gun.
with that blue.
I'm gonna say, what you gonna say? 30, 35.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, man, on the board. Oh, he's 30. I'm about to say 35 is the whole board. What is it?
It's a fish, so it won't be dirty, no? Pick her up, dog.
Yeah, my phone about to die.
Nice, dog. Good job, bro.
Jeez. Hold on.
You're going on the stringer, dog. Gotta make sure you put it on there right. That thing's gonna get off.
Try to push it down since you got the waders.
Oh, it's on there.
Alright, we'll get that grill shot, man. 10 already.
That's breakfast right here. I'm just gonna get a double. That little pit putting in work. Oh Lord.
Talk about toasty.
Oh, got plates.
That's how you like it.
And big plates. How many y'all got? We got one each.
Likely I just took over my chair like that. I end up being the dinner table.
It's over there.
Oh, thought about the cooler. Yeah.
Got it on there now. It's like a frozen, bro. Oh, it's breakfast right here. It looks like it might be raw. I mean, rare.
Oh, the egg. You want an egg? Yeah. You want omelets?
No, you
Go ahead, take a bite of that, though.
Oh man, give it like
you
that.
See Jenny's like that? Like you never see Jenny's hamburger put egg on it?
Fire, though.
It's that medium rare.
Medium.
Put your rod tip down, Rudy. Now you're under.
I don't feel it. It's like coming in.
Yeah, you can put down there for now. Let me see that hook set. And make sure you guide it.
My bad, bro. My bad.
Get that hook set, man.
Bro, he's coming in. I want to pull back before I get to the
You almost hit me.
You standing right behind me, though.
I was trying to get that perfect angle.
Oh, my bad.
I was getting that third person right here.
I don't feel nothing. Nah, that rod didn't bend at all. It went straight.
No.
That's why there was no weight. That's what I kept saying. There was no weight.
That's what we said though.
It's like there is one, right?
It's probably a cat.
Yeah.
Or a striper. He's been dying for a striper all day. Oh yeah, he.
They're over. I think it's 9 years.
Nah, he under. What's it gonna be, man?
I guess they're way out there, bro. Oh, he got some cover on him, man.
You said there was nothing when you pulled back.
He was swimming in, that's why. I like that hook set.
That's the key. She's a keeper. Damn that boy. It's a little football.
The peppers are out there, like way out there.
You said 24?
24.
What'd you say? 21?
It's 23.
I'm gonna go 22 and a half for. Oh. 26?
26? Where'd that come from? It was all wrong.
He didn't look nothing like 26.
The other one's still on the string out there. Look at that. Gucci?
Yeah, you get you.
That's 2. What time is it, Rudy? 2, 10 o'clock. Is he on there or no? You don't feel it? Right now he's swimming.
Okay. Now we feel something.
He up.
Oh,
Keep that rod tip up. There you go. He woke up. He said, "Ain't no fish over here."
told you, man. He was swimming in with it. Yeah, he got a fish on there.
Here it is.
Oh yeah, you got you one.
Yes.
Little baby, huh? He's like, I got it.
He woke up.
He's probably on there the whole time.
Yeah, this thing though.
What you think? 25?
Hell no. Shit. 20.
17?
18.
Yeah, damn near almost 18.
Nice.
Appreciate you, my boy.
It's a nice
You want to pick with them or what? You gotta wait, for the mama? Next time, guy. That's a big one, bro.
Big one?
This is that big shad. Gotta bring his ass this way. He ain't got no lines out here. Hopefully he don't get tangled up. Swimming in now. This is for sure the biggest one we had so far. For sure? I guarantee it, dog. See how that sucker's bowing, dog? Sucker's... Oh man, don't tell me he got stuck. Oh man, we got to yak it out, bro. Let me get the light extra quick. Yeah, he got stuck. Yeah, because he was way low. This thing's gonna drag you out, man. You wanna put the GoPro on? Man, bro. It's gonna be tough. Trying my boots. That big shit. That's one that was stuck in the grass. Ourselves a big boy. Victor! You're a little tired, ain't you? There you go. What you mean? You were on top of it?
Huh? Oh no, but that one has too much line up. You got the string, huh? Yeah.
That'd be close to keep it. Got something, bro. Got something, fishing pal. First cast. First cast. Yep. Check it out, fishing fam. That's what I went into that jungle for.
You won it or not?
It's on Junior. There you go, fishing fam.
Damn.
To lap.
Yeah. Yep, tilapia, man. Got it out that jungle. What's this? I guess lunchtime. Smoke fajitas. Smoke fajitas, man. On the big pit. Just rotate them bad boys. Can't cover the airway.
Gracias por existir. Puro grupo firme, compa Edwin. Así suena la máquina.
You gotta wake some fellas up and then you wanna throw the sausage? That's the bed. Let this simmer. Let it hang out for a bit. Rudy, you wanna get that sausage?
Yeah. Oh.
It's gonna be the lunch, huh?
Late lunch. I wanna cover the van. Let's get a little sample.
What is it gonna be? Medium? Well done? Burnt? Mama got watered down.
That's Tyrone, bro. Alright, so what we'll do, bring them all up, we can cut them, and then we can just put them in the corner.
Yeah, just a bet.
And I'll wrap it in foil.
Fire, bro. Fire. Sunset fishing, fam. Another round.